Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect ManyChat to ChatGPT. First, log into your ManyChat account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings, usually found in the sidebar. Click on it to explore different options for managing and customizing your ManyChat setup. Next, go to the integration section. This is where you can connect ManyChat with other tools. Click on it, then search for ChatGPT in the available options. To connect it, you'll need an API secret key from your ChatGPT account. Head over to the OpenAI login page and log in using your credentials. Once inside, locate the search bar in the top left corner and type in API keys to access the API key management section. Click on Create New Passkey to generate a unique API key for this integration. You can optionally give the key a name to help keep things organized, especially if you're managing multiple keys. Make sure to select the default project, then click Create Secret Key to finish. After generating the key, be sure to copy it before leaving the page. You'll need it shortly. Return to your ManyChat account and go back to the integration section. Look for the field label, enter ChatGPT API secret, and paste the copied API key there. This allows ManyChat to verify and connect with ChatGPT. Finally, click Connect ChatGPT account to complete the setup. And that's it. ManyChat is now successfully integrated with ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.